TicketSignup's calendar-based timed entry ticketing has a fully customizable, mobile responsive purchase experience. And you're going to be able to set up the whole purchase path the way that's going to optimize sales for your event. So let me show you what this looks like by default. So we're coming into here and we see the calendar picker, and the dates are highlighted when tickets are available for sale. So clicking into one of these, you can see the available ticket types and the time slots that are available. These quantity selectors allow you to choose how many of the ticket you want, and you can select the time slot. Here we are showing dynamic pricing based on the ticket type and time slot selected, and it's compliant with fee transparency laws. So that means we're showing the all-in pricing so that your event is always in compliance. And just to show what this might look like on mobile, it's a fully mobile responsive experience. And so on the phone, it's very easy to pick your date and pick your ticket type and time slot. These quantity selectors are optimized so that it's very easy for people to select exactly how many tickets they want to purchase. And that makes buying on site even simpler. So this is one way that you can show the registration path. However, you'll see here that we have the two different ticket types and they share the exact same time slots. And so one of the alternative ways that you can display this is going to the registration path options, and we can customize how this shows. So just to show the alternative to a calendar picker, we also have day tiles, and you've got these customization options available for how those display text and dates. And then you have the time slot selection. And so right now we have integrated tickets and time slots where you pick the ticket type and you can pick the time slot. But what we can do if we have the exact same time slots for each of our ticket types, we can do simple time slots. And you can show the start and end times, or you can show the start time only. And so start time only might be nice if you're just trying to show like the arrival time. Start and end times are nice if you've got like a 15-30 minute arrival time, or you want to show the entire length of that ticket experience. So I'm going to click save, and then we can come back to our purchase path and refresh it. And these updates just automatically take effect. So you can click into the date, and now rather than choosing our ticket type, we're actually choosing our time slot. And then we're choosing our ticket type. And again, you see that all in pricing. One of the other nice things is that TicketSignup's purchase path is automatically going to be dynamic and responsive to additional settings like showing sold out display and showing tickets remaining. So this is showing the available time slots for October 9th, and you can see how many tickets are left. And this makes it very easy for ticket purchasers to choose what's going to work for them. So it's just leading to a faster, more intuitive purchase experience. This quantity available is rolling up at the time slot, and then it's also showing at the ticket level. And when a ticket level is sold out, it's going to show as sold out so that you're not able to select anything. And it's going to roll up that sold out status to the time slot as well as the date as those, fill up. This is going to be set by you, so you don't have to show, like if there's 200 tickets available for each time slot or for ticket type, you don't have to show 250. You can actually set that to only display when there's 25 or fewer tickets available, or whatever you decide that cutoff should be. But this dynamic data is super valuable to make sure that the purchase experience is informative and gives your attendees the information that they need to choose a ticket type. I want to show you a completely different example with a summer kayak tour, and I think one of the things that's really nice here is just showing that theming. So you can have very, very different purchase experiences. We saw that like black and orange for a haunt, but then here we've got a very clean, blue and white summer themed background for a summer kayak tour. So here we have different ticket options and different time slots available for each date. And so what we're going to do for this one is the integrated tickets, because we don't, it's more important for our attendees to know exactly which session they're choosing, because they're so different, and then they're able to choose the time slot. So this is really nice for displaying variable ticket options with variable time slots on each day, while still keeping that whole calendar-based option, so we can see like the schedule for the entire summer and click through and reserve the sessions that make the most sense. So this is a really customizable, flexible, calendar-based ticketing experience that you can really build out to optimize your ticket sales and work for the type of event that you have.